Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious homemade acai bowl that I know you are going to love. It has so many properties, and the best thing is that you make it at home and you know exactly what you're adding to your acai bowl. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and amazing acai bowl at home, these are the ingredients. I have a banana, honey, strawberries, fresh strawberries, Jamaica water, frozen bananas, mixed frozen berries, pineapple frozen, of course the acai fruit frozen, granola made at home. You already have that amazing recipe. Shredded coconut, and sliced almonds, toasted sliced almonds. This is everything we need to prepare our special and delicious homemade acai bowl. So let's get started.
And here I have all my fruit nice and frozen and ready to use. I am ready to add it to the blender. Remember, all the ingredients need to be nice and frozen. And of course I have my acai fruit nice and frozen here, and this acai fruit doesn't have any sugar added. Of course I'm adding my hibiscus water just a little bit so that it blends nice and thick. Let's turn it on and help yourself, pushing all the fruit to the bottom of your blender. Look at this. Once it starts blending, it really doesn't take too long, and you could even see how beautiful it looks from the inside. Look at this. This is when you know that all your food is nice and blended and nice and thick and creamy. Look at this. This looks amazing. Like I said, it doesn't take too long to enjoy a delicious acai bowl at home. Of course, you have control of how much sweeten you add to your acai bowl. Look how thick this is, and that's exactly how you want it. You want it nice and thick and creamy. I am sure that once you make this acai bowl, you are going to continue enjoying yourself with this amazing acai bowl. Of course, we're going to decorate and add some fresh fruit right on the top. I have some fresh strawberries that I'm going to take only this side off, and I'm going to slice it nice and thin. It's nice and hot here in California, and I am really going to enjoy this amazing acai bowl. Look at this. Of course, once you have sliced your strawberries, then you're going to continue with your whole banana. You decide what kind of fruit you want to add, but this is a very traditional acai bowl. It doesn't have too many ingredients, but it comes out delicious every time. Look at this. I have everything in here, even the honey. I have sliced almonds, nice and toasted, and I have the shredded coconut. The shredded coconut is really going to give this an amazing taste. Of course, you have the homemade granola already on my channel so that you can make it at home. And here I am ready to decorate my bowl. Look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. Of course, I'm going to add a little bit of granola right on the side. I'm gonna add my sliced strawberries, trying to decorate nice and beautiful. Look at this. Just by looking at it, I can't wait to enjoy it. Enjoy it with my family. I'm adding a little bit of the sliced toasted almonds, and of course, a drizzle of the honey. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Only with your help, Cooking with Gloria is going to continue growing. And here I'm gonna add a little bit on a cup so that you have two choices. Either you have a bowl or you have a small cup filled with all the delicious and amazing flavors. Look at this. This looks so beautiful that I just can't wait to enjoy. Always add your shredded coconut. That's really going to give your acai bowl a delicious flavor. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. I am ready for the presentation and I can't wait to enjoy it. Look at this. All the ingredients you have here. Remember, by leaving a thumbs up, that means you love and like this video. Share this video, and thank you so much for being here. I can't wait to enjoy this amazing acai bowl. See you in just a little bit. Don't forget, leave me thumbs up.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing acai bowl. You know that the acai fruit comes from Brazil, from a large palm that creates this delicious and amazing fruit. This is what I love to do, cooking and baking for you. And today I decided to show you how to make at home an acai bowl with all these amazing fruits, frozen and fresh. You decide how you want to decorate your plate, your bowl, but I decided to decorate it this way, a very traditional way. You could add more fruit, but let me tell you, from Brazil, this amazing fruit has so many antioxidants and properties that I know you are going to love. Well, this is the traditional acai bowl. I hope you make it at home and I hope you enjoy it like I enjoy it here with my family. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. And this is the part I really love. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. The combination of the shredded coconut, granola, almonds, just perfection made at home. This really comes out delicious, and I'm sure that once you make it, you are going to continue enjoying this amazing acai bowl at home. When you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. friends, you make this amazing acai bowl at home and enjoy it with your beautiful family. It's nice and hot here in California, and you are really going to enjoy this acai bowl. If you liked and loved this recipe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media, and subscribe so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing acai bowl made at home with lots of love. See you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.